Good day everyone. In the video, we are covering the 5 best nursing pillows on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without this buying guide. Now, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is my Brest Friend Deluxe Nursing Pillow. My Brest Friend pillows stay securely in place and don't shift or slide. The wrap-around design secures the pillow to the body, helping to maintain ideal positioning for latch-on while preventing back and neck pain. The arm and elbow rests eliminate shoulder stress, and there is even a convenient pocket for nursing supplies and other accessories. The firm, flat front cushion and adjustable, silent release strap eliminate any gap between you and your baby. This keeps your baby from rolling in or away during breastfeeding. Purchase includes pillow insert and one slipcover. The Deluxe Nursing Pillow is made from an extra soft baby plush fabric and features a double-featured strap with Velcro and silent release buckle for easy, one-hand use. Number 2. Our second best pick is my Brest Friend Twin Nursing Pillow. My Brest Friend Nursing Pillow is the #1 breastfeeding support pillow with professional lactation consultants. This version allows for tandem nursing of twins. The large design is big enough to comfortably support both twins during breastfeeding. Convenient pocket keeps water bottles, burp cloths, phones and other breastfeeding accessories or items within reach. My Brest Friend pillows stay securely in place and don't shift or slide. The wrap-around design secures the pillow to the body, helping to maintain ideal positioning for latch-on while preventing back and neck pain. The arm and elbow rests eliminate shoulder stress, and there is even a convenient pocket for nursing supplies and other accessories. The firm, flat front cushion and adjustable, silent release strap eliminate any gap between you and your baby. This keeps your baby from rolling in or away during breastfeeding. Purchase includes pillow insert and one slipcover. Number 3. Our third best pick is Frida Mom Adjustable Nursing Pillow. Known for their innovative products that geniusly tackle some of parenthood's most frustrating problems, we heart you, knows Frida Snotsucker. Frida Mom's new nursing pillow doesn't disappoint. Customization is the standout feature here. The adjustable pillow has 3 interchangeable layers to help you find the right height for your size, plus 3 different cushioning levels depending on how much support your baby needs. There are other smart features like storage pockets for your phone and water, pockets for heat packs to relieve postpartum pain, and a t-shirt soft cover that's machine washable. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is DockATot La Maman Wedge Nursing Pillow. This breastfeeding pillow from DockATot is stylish and functional. The ergonomic shape curves around your body for feeding support. The plush velvet cover is soft and comfy, just keep in mind it's spot clean only, and lots of parents appreciate how it's not as oversized and cumbersome as some other nursing pillows on the market, making it especially ideal for C-section parents. The best part? The chic design means you won't mind leaving it out in any room. Specs: 22.5 into 13.3 into 6.7 inches. Easy clean velvet. Concealed zipper. Curved, ergonomic shape. Testing and certification: world-leading testing for harmful substances, additional testing for the presence of harmful phthalates and heavy metals, meets or exceeds children's product general safety regulations, designed and tested for durability. Spot clean or dry clean. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Nook Sleep Niche Nursing Pillow. This unique nursing pillow has a funky, square design but functions the same as other nursing pillows for feeding and as a prop and lounger. The difference here is in the materials. The filling is made from organic kapok, a soft, natural fiber, and the naturally water and stain-resistant cover is made from soft organic cotton and organic eucalyptus. The pebble design maximizes airflow for baby's comfort and safety. The Nook Niche Nursing Pillow features lightweight fill for structure and comfort while nursing and bottle feeding the baby. The pillow has a strategically designed square shape for more surface area. The included safety cover is naturally water and stain resistant. It features a patented asymmetrical pebble design that maximizes airflow for baby's comfort and safety. Note: the niche feeding pillow is not intended for sleeping. Discontinue use immediately when the baby starts to sleep. That's all for now. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. That's all for now. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.